Tree trimming Central Coast. To maintain your tree's health, a professional tree pruning service is essential. At Ben Hastings Tree Service, we believe regular trimming can prevent expensive and time-consuming tree removal. We specialize in trimming both small and large trees. With years of experience, we're equipped to prune and safely remove various species. Our team of licensed and trained arborists offers exceptional customer service, competitive pricing, and timely job completion. At Ben Hastings Tree Service, we prune trees in different ways depending on factors like age, height, and crown size. Professional tree pruning services are essential to ensure the health of your trees. Does your tree's trunk feel too short, or does the canopy feel uncomfortably close to the ground when you stand under it? This calls for canopy lifting. If a tree poses a risk to nearby structures, such as power lines or other trees, there's no time to waste. Our skilled professionals lop off specific branches that are causing damage or at risk of falling. We also ensure competitive pricing and timely job completion. At Ben Hastings Tree Service, our priority is the health and safety of your trees, your property, and your family.